Right here, I just raked out an old lighter, and I would say that's silver. It's stamped on the bottom here. I would say it's almost definitely silver. It looks it. Anyway, later. Alright, I just dug this out right here. You can see it's a flower design, and it's not a cup. It's not broke. There's no damage to it. And look, it's Jackson, China. James F. Lee and Company, New York. And it's got Chinese writing on it, or Japanese. Well, I'd say Chinese. Jackson, China. Well, anyway, later. I'll get it cleaned up. It's a nice piece. Later. Alright, I just raked out a nice embossed bottle. What's that down there? Yeah, it's nothing. But man, let's see what this says. This looks cool. Oh, what the heck? It says $25,000 Healtho bonded quality products. It says $25,000 on it. That's a really cool bottle. That's really cool. Check that out, folks. That's worth the trip for me. I've never seen anything like that. Look at that. Anyway, later. Well, there's a whole wrist watch, and that's definitely a silver band. I'd say the watch is even silver. You can see it there. It's definitely silver. Later. Alright, I'm surface hunting below where the dump's at. I got a gun right here. Ooh, this is old. It's a little toy gun. It's all there. Pretty cool. Later. This plastic holds up good. This has to be like 50, 60 years old. Awesome. Later. Alright, here's like another compact makeup case. It's real heavy. It's all there. It'll open up probably. It's got the design on the top of it of some kind. I'll take it and clean it up later. Alright, that's off a kid's playset. You can see the controls there. There was probably a gun in that. That's cool. It's off of something. Later. Alright, I just dug this out. It's an old Broughton Dairy milk bottle. The embossed, or the graphics good on it. Later. Alright, this is too bad. That's an old Easter bunny. It's an Easter. Can't tell if it's stamped, but it's a shame. It's old. Later. Well, this embossed bottle wouldn't have been nice, would it? Man, it's really old too, and it says Wheeling, West Virginia, 24 fluid ounces right on it. Man, that's an old bottle, and that would have been awesome. Wonder what was on it. Later. Right, I just raked out one of these old Atlas Masons, and it says Atlas Mason patent, but there's no 1858 on it. It's Masons apostrophe S. Patent nothing. You see it there. Later. I've found probably thousands of these over the past couple years. These Whitehall brown glass embossed little screw tops. Just thousands. They're all over dumps. It's a common bottle. Later. I saw this roll out, and I think I got another candy container. It's a tank, and it's glass, and it looked whole. It's right here. It's just awesome. I saw a flash of it. Oh, folks. It's even got a dude in it. Oh, folks. Oh, it must be like a paperweight. Oh, this is awesome. It says USA on it. Oh, folks, this is the find of the day. Look at this. Oh, wow. I guess it could even be a kid's toy. But, man, this is just nice. Nice isn't the word for it. I love it. Oh, my goodness gracious. Look at this, folks. I love stuff like this. This is why I'm here, to get stuff like this for my collection. Got two pieces, been here for hours, and got two pieces here real quick that are just, you couldn't ask for a better day at the dump. That is awesome. And that little dude not being broke off and this being whole is just a miracle. Man, I love it. I'll clean it up and show pictures. This is awesome. Later. Here's another one of these old Masons. It's a shame it's broke. It's one of the patent 1858 ones, and it's one of the smaller ones. It's a shame. I found like 20 broken ones. There's the bottom of it. Right there, it's all here. It's got a 6 on it. Nice piece, but it busted. But I'm getting stuff later. Here's an old glass candle holder. It's like leaded crystal. It's nice. It's perfect. There's not a crack in it. I'm gonna take it later. Here's a ball perfect mason. It's all there. The lids, but I got a new lid to put on it. I take all these. It'll look good with marbles in it. Oh, it's embossed even on the back here. Anyway, later. Alright, I just raked out a head or something. It's right here. Oh, it's a creepy clown head. Look at that. I don't know what that's off of, but that's kind of creepy. I'll clean it up. I'm gonna take that. That's nuts. Later. Alright, here's another salt and pepper shaker. I take all of these because some of the tops are silver. I found like probably 50 of these up here. I don't show these on film, but out of the 50, 7 or 8 have been solid silver caps. So I take them and look at them at home later. Here's an old thermometer I found. I'm walking out of here. I'm done looking. But it says the Wharton and Ellis Funeral Home and Ambulance Service, and it has a telephone of 137. I can't see. Looks like something West Virginia. New Martinsville, maybe. I think that's what it is. New Martinsville, West Virginia. And there's an old hearse. That's cool. It's a shame it's all destroyed. Well, anyway, later. This isn't real old, but it's pretty old. Look at this, Chung King brown sauce. And it says Duluth, Minnesota on the back. That's a pretty, oh, I have a lid for it. I'm gonna take it. The graphic's perfect. It came from real deep in this hole. Later. This is a really cool bottle. It's got embossed circles all over it, raised. It says full pint. It's probably wine or something. It probably had a real, oh, I'll make a label to put right there. Later. Alright, that's a shame on that jug. But I got an inkwell right here. Yeah, look, it's even got the, it was ink in it probably. It's pretty nice. It says 3 1/8 fluid ounces. That's pretty nice. Later. And it just popped at this little milk, but it's cracked and it didn't have nothing on it. But look at this. There's something there that's broke. Let's look in here. This just caved in and this fell out. It's a big old 7-Up. And some of the labels messed up. But it says Columbus. Would have been nice. Later. Here's a 1938 7-Up. I've found these before, but man, it's Akron. It'll clean up nice. The graphics all there. It's a nice bottle. Later. I just dug this out right there. I found one of these the other day, and now I got 2 matching ones. So that was good. I kept that other one. This one's flawless too. Nice. Later. Oh, folks, I tell you what, I'm blessed. I took a closer look at this back in there, and this looks like something awesome. It's embossed cork, like wine or beer, and it's embossed all over it. Let's pick it up here and see what we got. Oh boy, this looks awesome. Oh man, it's got some kind of, oh man, it's got an eagle on the top of that seal, and it says American Wines. Oh man, it says 1838 or something on it. Oh, this is just, oh, this is awesome, folks. Look at this bottle. Oh wow. Well, let me get it wiped off later. Alright, it says Garrett's. There's like wings up there on the top of that. There's a real awesome seal. It says American Wines. It says Garrett and Company Incorporated, Virginia Dare. Virginia wine. Says established 1835, and then New York and Boston on the bottom. Man, this is just friggin' amazing. Look how big and awesome it is. Well, I've been tearing it up, but look around me. I dug all these holes. I'm here for hours a day. If you want to find stuff like this, I've been here 3.5 hours and haven't really found nothing. Now the day's made. I got a video, I got an awesome bottle. This is what you got to do. And look, I'm filthy. Just absolutely filthy. But it's worth it. Look at this. Later.